Hi everyone, in this video we're going to see how we can use the calculator Casio fx-5800P in order to multiply two matrices. So in order to do that, we're going to start the calculator by pressing on the AC, and if we go to the function, we'll see that the number 8 is matrix, so we're going to press on 8, and we have to define our matrices first. So we're going to press on 1, which is edit, and we know our matrices are 3 by 3, so if we go to matrix A, press on right, I'm going to define m equal to 3, and same for the n. Now we have to put our numbers for our matrix. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and everything's good with this matrix. We're moving on to the second one, or our matrix B. So if we go down, press on right again, we have 3 by 3 again. So we're going to put our numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now that we have both our matrices, we're going to press on exit one more time, and we go to the function. Number 8 is matrix, and we're going to press on 2 this time, and we have basically matrix A times B. So matrix A times same thing, function 8, 2, and this time we have matrix B, and that's what we're looking for. And if we press on execute, we're going to see the answer for our multiplication. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next one.